Assalamu alaikum. Welcome my to Assalamu alaikum. Welcome my tech related channel named Adi Tech Bangla. At first, I earnestly request you to not to skip my content. I will give you some important information how to make money from online. There are many websites in Google site, but freelancer.com is one of them. I will show you how to create an account and how to manage it. If you know the some rules, you can earn money from this site. At first I will give you how to search freelancer.com. You will be must open Google Chrome or other website, then you will write freelancer.com. freelancer.com. Then you will see a interface like as here some instance are giving by freelancer.com. Here is a freelancer. Here is a freelancer or earn money freelancing. Here means someone people want to work. Someone people want to their work by a worker or earn money freelancing. Someone people who work in here and earn money. Then you will be first see in the corner login sign up. You must be click sign up. Then you will be show an interface like as, and then you will put an verified email number. I will write a verified email number. Sabir Ahmed 124 T15 @gmail.com. And you have to write a strong password. And press. If you press, then you will see an interface. Username suggestion Sabir Ahmed. I will select this username and you will be press next. Then another instruction is in here. I want to work. I want to here. So I want to work, then press the arrow sign. Sometime later you will show another interface tells us your staff skills. Then you will be write your skill. I want to write data entry. Right, data entry. Here many instruction is in here. You will be choose 20 data entry. Then you click plus option. You will be say which option you have selected. Edit right side. I have chosen some step, then I know where it has been written. Okay, then next. LinkedIn account, Facebook and LinkedIn, I do not accept this program. I skip this. What is your name? My name is Sabir Ahmed. Sabir Ahmed. And next, tell us about yourself. Data one line, data entry, online data entry, entry. Describe yourself. I will write some attractive information. Then when a buyer visit my profile, he or she will be attracted and give me some opportunities to work there. I am expert in data entry work. I have 4 years experience experiences. I have been working still a renowned company The next, what language do you speak? You prefer? I prefer English, because most of the buyer will be wanted to speak English. So date of birth, next, enter your address. I am Bangladeshi, so I will write Bangladesh. Here enter state or province, Rajshahi. Zip code or postal code. I will write my zip code 6760 Bangladesh. Next, almost there. Sabir Ahmed, check your email verification account. I have received an email which sent freelancer.com. Then I will check email and sorry, I have mistakes my email name. Since my email T send verification. So I am sorry that because I have mistakes my I have mistake my Gmail number, so it is long time to repair Gmail number, and you will be sent option, then you will get another option. You will be see your work file, and you will be say your picture, you will upload a picture, and you will see in the right corner of the notification number. Then you will see notification. There are many words of foods there, job you can choose in, and wait. Then you will wait if any words will be show your bit, and then they choose your bit. You will ask your question. You will ask some question about the works, your personal Gmail number. Then if you agree, you will do work and get payment. This is my content. If you feeling good, you will subscribe, and then next another content. Allah Hafiz.